Solve for x. This means we want to find the value of x. 3 times x minus 9 equals minus 2x plus 7. To solve for x, we need to isolate x on one side of the equation. Add 2 times x to both sides. This gives us 3x plus 2x minus 9 equals parentheses 2x minus 2x parentheses plus 7. 2 times x minus 2 times x equals 0. 3 times x plus 2 times x minus 9 equals 7. First, let's group like terms. We have 3x plus 2x minus 9. This simplifies to the expression inside the parentheses, which is 3x plus 2x minus 9. Now, let's evaluate the expression inside the parentheses. The result is 5x minus 9. Now, let's compare this result to the original expression. The expression inside the parentheses, 5x minus 9, should be equal to the original expression, which is also in parentheses, 5x minus 9. And indeed, they are equal. Great job! 3 times x plus 2 times x equals 5x. 5x minus 9 equals 7. Add 9 to both sides. 5 times the quantity of 9 minus 9 is equivalent to, which is equal to 9 plus 7. Divide both sides of 5 times 5 equals 16 by 5. This gives us 5 over 5 equals 16 over 5. The answer is blank. The value of x is equal to 16 over 5.